Hi, it's Cristina Sison here with Sison Homes with Realty One Group. I am here at our listing in 1803 Fountain Drive, Unit 1304 at the Paramount. As you can see, this unit is really nice. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1369 square foot with a balcony facing south. Everything is updated and the owner has custom made it on its own, but it's beautiful. So it's one of the most beautiful condos in the building. So hope you can see it. I have an open house this weekend on Saturday from 1 to 3 o'clock. But if you have any buyers out there, send them our way. Thanks. So when you enter the unit, you can see the washer and dryer area and the dining room. And then, of course, the living room area going through the balcony. Then you have meal appliances, kitchen, minimalist, modern. Going to the bathroom. And we have the second bedroom over here. Lots of light with its own balcony as well. Yeah. Then we go to the other bedroom. Lots of light again. And you have a separate bathroom. Custom built cabinets. Closets rather. And a nice bathroom. Shower. All right. So hopefully you find the new buyer for it. Have a nice night. Bye.